Namaste. My name is Prince Kumar. I read in class 8th and I study in St. Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am going to show you a small activity on different types of clothes.
The first fabric is cotton.
Now I will tell you some important points about cotton. Cotton is the most common fabric in the world. It is commonly worn in summer season as it is a cool fabric. It is grown in black soil. In India, cotton is widely produced in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. On world level, India is the highest cotton producing country in the world. Second is China, then US and Brazil.
Second fabric is silk.
Now I will tell you some important points about silk. The production of natural silk was legally banned because silkworms were killed for getting silk from here. It means the amount of silk we find in the market is totally artificial silk and it is made in factories. As I told you that it is made in factories, the highest amount of silk produced in a factory is situated in Karnataka. On world level, China is the highest silk producing country. On second number, place takes India.
Third fabric is terrycote.
Terrycote is another synthetic fiber and it is made in factories as per demands of that fabric in that particular area. That's why fabric is not as much common as other fabrics like cotton, wool or silk. It is not highly produced in India, but it is mainly produced in mid part of India like Madhya Pradesh and neighboring states of Madhya Pradesh.
Fourth fabric is lining.
Lining. Lining is one of the most thin fabrics in the world. Lining is mainly a natural fabric, but it can be produced artificially. Lining has many categories. Some categories of lining are used for making inner layers of shirts or other dresses. Some categories of lining are used for making inner layers of hats or umbrellas. And some categories of lining are used in turbans. So this was my activity. Thank you.